So good morning everyone. So today I have a fabulous Rebecca to show you. We are of course on Camposol, Urbanisation on the Costa.Calida, near the port of Matheron, and 30 minutes from Murcia International Airport, 20 minutes from several beautiful beaches. So let me take you in. So this is the property, and you have a carport just here, and it's in the shade, which is great because it does get quite hot here. You have a gate into the property, so it's very private. Amazing underbuild, which you can access to the front by the carport. Amazing underbuild for storage. What do you think? And just here you have side underbuild section for storage. Just here you have this beautiful pool, and you can relax and enjoy that in the summer months. And just here you have little table and chairs where you can have a glass of wine and just chill. You have fresh oranges there on that lovely little tree as well. So let me pan around for you, and I'm going to take you inside. So the sign says love, laughter and friends are always welcome here. Really lovely. So you've got a few steps up. And before we go inside, just show you, you have a little table and chairs where you can enjoy having your breakfast in the sunshine out here in the morning. Now through these doors leads you into the conservatory area. Now this is all being enclosed. It has insect screens and blinds on the windows. Really nice area and extra accommodation. It's got electric wall heaters there as well. On the property itself, on the main doors, you got wreckers and you got blackout blinds on the windows and insect screens. So let me take you inside. So I've just come inside, and this home is really beautiful. It's lovely and homely, as you can see. You have a log burner fire there. Just above you got your ceiling lights and fan. And just as I come in the door, I'll just show you this beautiful, very decorative front door. It has a lovely etching in the middle and some stained glass. Really lovely. Just come down this end just to give you a good glimpse of the room, and you have aircon in here as well. I'll come down a different angle. You have a lovely kitchen there, which I'm going to show you in a few minutes. So it's a lovely, large, warm, welcoming living space. I've done it with the door closed now, so you can see the etching and the lovely colour in the glass more. So I'm going to take you through. We go through this doorway. You have a doorway, not an archway, a doorway. And this leads you into a guest room. So in the guest room, you've got ceiling light and fan. You've got switches and sockets on either side of the bed. Just going to pan around, just to give you a feel for the room. And you have your ceiling light and fan above. Really beautiful home. And just there you have your double wardrobe with your overhead storage. So really lovely bedroom. So let me take you into the shower room now. Now in the shower room you have your sink and vanity unit, you have your WC, and you have your bath. The floor tiles have been redone, as you can see, and it's all been upgraded throughout. You have got your shower there as well, and a frosted glass shower screen. We've also got stained glass on that frosted glass window. It's really done really nicely. Sorry about the camera flashing there. And you've got a lovely mirror. You've got 2 sockets and a switch just there. Normally you just have the one. And you have a heated electric towel rail. Above the door, of course, you've got an overhead heater. So let's take you into the master bedroom now. So in the master bedroom, you have got a ceiling light and fan. You've got switches and sockets on either side of the bed for your bedside lamps. You have got upgraded wardrobes with sliding doors. And if I just pan around, you've got a freestanding wardrobe as well. You've got your dressing table just there also. Now I'm going to take you in and around. We're back in through this lovely, warm, welcoming living space. And I'm taking you into the kitchen. And I was in awe of this kitchen, I got to say. You have high gloss cupboards. Now you have top and base cupboards, integrated gas hob and electric oven. And you have granite worktops with your water filter tap and your sink and drainer. Now this was the wow factor in this. I turned around and this. You do not have this much space in a Rebecca usually. So they've done great with this living space. I'm just going to come over here, and as you can see, you have more top and base units, extra worktop space, and a fabulous kitchen. So I'm just showing you the whole kitchen as a whole. You can see you've got plenty of top and base units, like I said, granite worktop space, your sink, your water filter, your integrated gas hob electric oven, you've got a freestanding fridge freezer there, and you've got more worktop space and plenty of cupboards top and base. Absolutely lovely. So this is a lovely kitchen diner. So let me take you out. We've also got a utility room with this property. So just in here you have more cupboards and you have extra worktop space. Just open that. So it's a large walk-in cupboard. So I'm going out here now and I'm just going into the garden or the courtyard. So I've just brought you out to the courtyard here. You could sit here, have your breakfast in the morning in the sunshine, and you have a water point there for washing down the tiles or just watering your plants. I'm going to take you through this gate just here. And this is before I even take you up to the solarium. This property is amazing. So we've got a few steps down. Got a little surprise for you in here. So you have an extra bathroom here. So in here you've got a sink and pedestal and your WC. And just in here you have a shower with a frosted glass window. So this is extra to this property. You've also got electric heated towel rail just behind. Now this is just outside this pool area. So you've got this fabulous pool here. Beautiful aqua blue or aqua green colour. Lovely for a dicky dive in the summer, keep yourself cool, and that lovely seating area beyond. So I'm going to take you upstairs, guys, and we'll go upstairs and have a look at the rooftop solarium. So we'll go back in. So let's go back in and we go upstairs. So you got concrete steps and they have got those harlequin tiles on there. Now you can see a lot of work has been put into this house. It's really beautiful. So let's pop up here. Oh wow, this is really lovely. So you've got an area here for sitting in. You got your pergola there to bring the shade over. Oh my god, look at those views, guys. Absolutely fantastic. I have to bring you over here first. Look at those views. I'll just home in. Look at that. Oh, keep the camera steady, Marie, for goodness sake. Look at that, guys. Absolutely beautiful. Countryside all around. Really lovely. So back on the terrace now. Really lovely terrace. Oh, and you have lemons here for your ice and a slice. Look at that. They're only young trees, but getting plenty of fruit off of them. So this is very decorative, the wall. You have a lovely area to sit, and of course you have your hot tub. What would a roof terrace be like without a hot tub? I don't know. I got one as well. Absolutely lovely. So, and it's quite private here as well, and you got those lights that shine and sparkle in the evening. Really lovely. So guys, what do you think of this property? It is absolutely a little gem. You got that extra large kitchen in here, you got a pool, you got this wonderful rooftop solarium here. It's absolutely wonderful. You got your hot tub, areas to sit out and enjoy, and it is on lower C section of Camposol. So if you're interested in this property, do contact info@tolettoseltobuy.com. I will leave the reference for this property in the title of the video. Please share and subscribe, and share on your social media so it passes it out to someone else who might love this property. And please support my channel either with a super thanks or buy me a coffee if you fancy. Thank you for viewing, and I'll see you all again. Have an amazing day, everyone.